Hey there, welcome back to Healthy Habits, your go-to spot for living well naturally. Today's topic is something we all need, but many of us neglect: sleep. If you're tossing, turning, or waking up groggy, this episode is your guide to mastering sleep hygiene, the simple habits and natural methods that promote restful, high-quality sleep. Let's dive into the science, the routines, and the real remedies. Sleep hygiene isn't about cleaning your sheets, though that helps. It's a collection of habits and environmental factors that promote better sleep. Think of it like brushing your teeth, but for your brain before bed. Good sleep hygiene means a consistent bedtime, low light exposure at night, no caffeine after a certain hour, and a relaxing wind-down routine. Key points: consistent sleep and wake times. Limiting screen time, 1 hour before bed, creating a calming nighttime ritual, reducing stimulants like caffeine and sugar. Your sleep environment plays a huge role in how quickly you fall asleep and how deeply you stay there. Let's talk setup. Tips: room temperature. Ideal is 60-67 degrees, 15-19 degrees Celsius. Darkness. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask. White noise or calming sounds. No harsh lights or loud tech. A quality mattress and breathable bedding. Want to sleep like a baby? Get moving during the day. Exercise increases sleep quality and reduces the time it takes to fall asleep. Tips: aim for 30 minutes of moderate exercise, 3-5x per week. Best activities: walking, yoga, swimming, dancing. Avoid vigorous workouts, 2 hours before bedtime. Gentle stretches in the evening help relax the nervous system. Let's talk remedies that don't come with a prescription pad. Nature offers powerful sleep allies, and essential oils are one of them. Best essential oils for sleep: lavender, proven to calm the mind and lower heart rate. Chamomile reduces anxiety and promotes relaxation. Cedarwood has a grounding, earthy effect that slows racing thoughts. Bergamot, uplifting and calming, helps with emotional balance. How to use: diffuse 2 to 3 drops 30 minutes before bed. Add to a warm bath, mix with carrier oil, and apply to wrists, temples, or chest. Let's clear the air on sleep medications. While natural remedies work for most, there are times you may need short-term help. Types of sleep aids. Melatonin supplements. Great for jet lag or temporary schedule shifts. OTC sleep aids, like diphenhydramine, use sparingly. Prescription medications, only under medical supervision. Tip: never become dependent on pills. Use them as a reset, not a long-term solution. Let's put it all together and build your personal sleep plan. Evening routine. Start 60 minutes before bed. Turn off screens and dim lights. Brew a calming herbal tea like chamomile or lemon balm. Do 5 to 10 minutes of gentle stretching or breath work. Diffuse essential oils or use a linen spray. Write down 3 things you're grateful for to clear your mind. Get into bed at the same time each night. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a lifeline. With just a few consistent habits, natural tools, and a focus on environment, you can transform restless nights into deep, rejuvenating sleep. If this video helped you, hit that like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs better rest. Sleep better, live brighter. Start tonight. Subscribe for more.